Welcome back. It's actually quite a pretty Monday morning. I was only thinking yesterday when I was having a mooch around here how dry and nice everything seemed, and yet in the night, God, it peed it down. It's proper gooey now. Just come and have a look at this. Just driving by. Ooh. It's outstanding in its field. It's got like a bell on it. But it's interesting how it's all gone black around the bottom on the soil. Anyway, this is a bit of our first wheat. It's looking rather dashing. There's a bean. Also had bean span all over it. Howdy. So on the store we have internal lights. So when you leave the internal lights on, these red bulkheads light up, or they would if they weren't broken. So they're 10 years old now. So this dark one in my hand, all three on each store has failed. So I'm just in the process of replacing them with a new one, which is largely the same thing. It's still LED, which is ironic because you'd think like LEDs would never fail because it's a diode, but they're built to fail. Yeah, 2 of them had filled with water and the other one had just not working. So let's get them changed. There we go. If I put the camera the right way round. Doesn't look much, does it, an LED light board? It's going to be dark now. There we go. Proper Mickey Mouse stuff this is. So the reason why it's got a red light is so when you put the internal store lights on and you leave them on, you know from the outside they're on with this red light, so you don't get the chance or the incidence of green ones. Just put a light on. Ta-da! You've got to put on your red light. So that's how it is when the internal lights are on. Not bad. Love the way water's coming out of that. Oh, I get a good beat. Are you going to try it? No. Harry's first try of sugar beet. Oh, that was a little one. So it's a bit noisy, it's all running. What do you reckon? It's not bad, is it? It's not like you'd think. That's got to be better than a Monster drink. You know, as far as raw veg go, I'd say that's quite tolerable. You might as well finish it now. I'll have a little bit. If anybody has this armour cable, they'll know. They'll just know. Yes. It's like a pub challenge. I feel like I'm in a little spaceship this morning. This is a little demonstrator Toyota Forktruck. Come discotheque. Very different. This is electric. Never drove an electric forklift before. It's quite weird just not having any noise. So it's got a ring of red and a bit of blue. So it's got a dual tine arrangement, so we're loading in two. So we've never done this before, but quite a lot more efficient. Oh, it's too horrible out there. Just to show you the tines.
I left the yard at half 2 this morning, that was like this, and that ain't been, well, it's even worse up in the Midlands.
Is it really?
Yeah, I went up over the bridge north, and they said it's going to hit the west hard this morning.
Aren't we getting 30 mil and like they're getting 6 inches?
Yeah. It's a nice setup. I was saying these Garrett's,
Oh yeah.
they've got a big Forktruck, but they've got the double header as well.
Okay.
They've had it a fair while.
Yeah, never had an electric truck before. It's so quiet. I don't know how it prices compared to a diesel.
It's on demo, is it?
Yeah. I thought we'd daft to say no, and we're missing out.
And it come with the double header.
Yeah, well, that's the bit I really wanted to demo, that
Yeah.
carriagey thing.
But they're happy inside.
Yeah. Got work lights on the boom. Never been seen before. Like it. I'll talk from this end of the shed, it's a little bit quieter. But that ring of red from the forklift, I've never seen or none of us have come across that before. Actually, from a safety point of view, it's really good. It just makes you think, whoa, step back. It's been very popular today because loading this horrible wet Friday, I mean, it's mingy outside, but in a fully sealed hermetic cab, it's really quite spoiling it. I think we've got it 4 days or so we'll make the most of it at the minute. Also, what is interesting is because it's battery, how long it lasts. Because if we could charge it off the solar, wicked. That's it. Very cheap running costs. Not that forklifts use a lot of fuel in this scenario anyway. These little trucks run on not a lot at all, really.